Hello everyone, I am Arvind Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can post Pinterest pin from your Trello card. Now suppose you have a team and they are creating different types of content on your Trello. Now you want those contents to get posted on Pinterest. Now manually doing this will take a lot of time and a lot of effort. So what you can do, whenever your team is creating a new card in Trello regarding to the contents which has images and which you want to post on Pinterest, it will automatically get posted from Trello to your Pinterest account, and for that we are going to use an integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Trello and Pinterest together so that whenever a new card is created in Trello, a new pin will automatically be created in your Pinterest account. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to type in Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect and press enter. And as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this page here. Here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our site so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I'll just go for sign in because I already have an account here. And I will just log into my account. Now here I am going to choose access now for Pabbly Connect. And after that you can see I have all these automations here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on create workflow to create a new automation. And after that I am going to give my workflow a name here, okay? So what I am doing here, I am connecting my Trello to my Pinterest. So I'm giving it this name, Trello to Pinterest. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to click on create. And here you can see you have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So what will be our trigger event? Here we are going to take Trello, and in Trello we are going to go for new card. Now what will happen here, you can see this is the Trello, and this is the post I already made here for checking my Pinterest automation, and here you can see this is a card. Now what will happen whenever we are going to create a card here, let me just do it first. Add new connection. Now here you have to enter your username, API key and token. So what you are going to do, you are going to follow this step here and you are going to click here for your API key and token. So here you can see this is your API key. Just copy this API key, go back and paste it here. Go back. Here you can see you can manually generate a token. So click on this and this is your username, Ashirai2. So just copy this username, go back, paste it here in the username field. Then here in token, you have to go back here, go here, click on allow, and here you can see this is the token. So you are going to copy this, go back and paste it here. Now click on save. Now as soon as you will click on save, you will see you will be connected to the Pabbly Connect account, or I should say your Trello will be connected to the Pabbly Connect account. Now here you have options of selecting your board and selecting your list. So here, let me just go here. And now you can see when I will click on boards, I have several boards here, which I am going to choose is this one, Pinterest posts. So I'll go here and I will choose Pinterest posts. I'll just type in here manually and I will get this Pinterest posts. And here you can see list is ready to post. So you can see this is the list ready to post. Now what I can do, either I can just make a card or directly take this into the, Pabbly Connect account. But what I am going to do, I am just going to make another card here, and here I am just going to show you how it works. So Pinterest new image. Okay, now enter. Now you can see I have taken this Pinterest new image, or I should say I have created this Pinterest new image. So here you can see I only have one list here. As soon as I will click on a refresh, you will see I will have two lists here, Pinterest new image, which I just created. Now as soon as I will click on this and I will click on save and send test request, it will ask me for the response. Now what will be the response? Whenever I am going to make a new card in this list, I will receive a response in my Pabbly Connect account. Now, how is that? So what I'm going to do, I am just going to take an image which I have already. So what I will do, I will just click on add a card and then I will enter the title for this card. So let me just put a title, beautiful house. Okay, now as soon as I will click on add card, because I do not have any other option to add anything here, I have to first add card. So I will just click on add card, and as soon as I will add card, you will see the Pabbly Connect will take the response here. This is the model ID, this is the model name, Pinterest new image, and this is the card details. But as you can see, we want to post to Pinterest and we did not put any image, any description or any any other thing apart from title here. So what we are going to do, first we are going to take a card through Trello. Now first we have created a card, now we have to take this card, or you will have an option to get a card from Trello in Pabbly Connect account, and I am going to show you how it's done. So what will happen here in automation, your card will automatically be taken as soon as you will put the title here. So it has automatically taken the card, but we still have to put other details into the card. So what I am going to do, I am just going to use a feature of Pabbly here, which is called delay. So here I will go for delay, and here I will just go for delay for, and it will only take me 2 or 3 minutes to take the card from my Trello account and put it here and take the details into the Pabbly Connect account. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on 2 minutes and then save and send test request. Now it has been delayed for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes it will get a card here. So what I am going to do, I am just going to put here another option of get a card, and as soon as I will choose the option of get a card, whenever I'm going to add anything here in this card which I just made here, it will give me 2 minutes because of delay, and after 2 minutes it will take the card and give me the remaining details here in my Pabbly Connect account. So what I'm going to do here, I'm again choosing Trello, and then here I'm just choosing get a card. So you can see get a card by ID. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to click on connect, and I'm going to select the existing connection because I already added Trello here, and now it is asking you for the card ID. So what is this card ID? So what we have to do, we have to go here, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So what I'm going to do here, I am just going to take the card ID, and you can see this is the action data list ID. Okay, so I am going to choose the card ID. Where is card ID? Okay, here is the card ID, action data card ID. So you are just going to map this action data card ID, and before going to save and send test request, I am going to add the details in this card by going to this edit option. Okay, so let's just go here, open card, and now here we are going to add the images and the description. So what we are going to do here in description, I am just going to write, this is the image of a beautiful house. Okay, click on save. Now attachment, and here we are going to take an image from computer, and I have an image. Where is that image? Okay, so here is the image, beautiful house. Just open this, and now you can see this is the image of a beautiful house. This is the image of a beautiful house. Beautiful house.jpg is the image, and here you can see this is the description. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to click on save, and I will just save this, and after saving this, what I am going to do, I am just going to go back and I will click on save and send test request. Okay, so let's just save this, and you can see now this is saved, and now here it is giving us the time of 2 minutes to do this. So we are just going to click on save and send test request now, and here you can see I have this image here. This is the title. Wait a minute, this is the title, this is the image of a beautiful house, and here you have the URL. Here you have the URL of the house. Okay. So now our first step of connecting our Trello to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are now just going to go and connect our Pinterest account. So let's just go for Pinterest, and here we are going to go for create pin and then connect. Now add new connection, connect with Pinterest. It will ask you for the Pinterest account. So just to connect your Pinterest account, you have to give access, and don't worry about Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data, and your data is absolutely safe. Now here you can see it is asking us for the board. So let me just show you my Pinterest. This is my Pinterest account. And here this is the board, all pins and Pabbly. So let's just open this board Pabbly. And here I have 21 pins. You can see this is the last pin here. So what I will do, I will just choose the board, which is Pabbly. Now image URL. So again, I am going to use the technique which is called mapping. And from this third result, I am going to map in the image URL, which was the last URL I had cover scaled 6 URL. So just choose this title. Again, choose the title. From first part, beautiful house. Description, choose from the third part. This is the image of a beautiful house. Alt text, I do not want that. Link, I do not want that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see I have this image, beautiful house, created in my Pinterest account. Now I'll just go back to Pinterest and it should be here. So let us just click the refresh button. And here you can see we have 22 pins, and this is the image of a beautiful house I have. Okay. So friends, this is how you can connect your Pinterest account with your Trello, so that whenever your team is going to create something on Trello with an image, it can automatically get updated to your Pinterest account and a new pin will be created. This is very good for marketing, for digital marketers, or for people who are into blogging or who are into, posting a lot of content on Pinterest. Now, I hope you loved this workflow, and if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone it into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. Okay. Now let me just give you a short, conclusion here. First, you are going to go into Trello and create a new card. After that, you are going to put the delay, because whenever you are going to create a new card, it will be created very quickly and will be taken by Pabbly Connect account very quickly. So you won't have time to add the details. Now delay will give you the time of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes to add the details. Then click on get a card. So whenever you are going to get this card, because of delay, you will be able to add the details, and then the details will be here in get a card option. After that, you are just going to create a pin on your Pinterest automatically, and now your automation is successful. You can now use this automation for your marketing. So this is the automation. Just use it, subscribe it, like it. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.